Hi guys, I'm Stephanie, and today we're going to be making a spooky castle kit.
Ah! And I'm Hunter, and I'm also going to be making one.
Hi Hunter.
Hi Stephanie. This says level 2 on the side. I don't think I'm a level 2.
Well, I'm
crafter.
definitely not a level 2 either.
It says real easy. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so it looks like the kit has everything in it.
We got this kit at Micheal's.
Michael's.
If you want to join along and rewatch this video and go get the kit.
And it comes with all the stuff you need. The cookies, the sprinkles, cookies, icing.
It even comes with a tray.
Are we using the tray?
No, we're using these.
Okay.
These plates that our wonderful friend Rhiannon got for us.
She's the best, isn't she?
She's so great.
No.
She's so great. So we're going to just take everything out of the tray and put it onto our handy dandy giant plates.
Oh, you know what we can do? We can use the tray to put the icing stuff so it doesn't spill on the table.
Yeah, and we don't make a mess. The first instruction says icing pouch preparation. Knead the icing pouch for 1 to 2 minutes, bringing the icing to room temperature and making it more adhesive. To start the flow of the icing, remove the cap and snip 1/4 from the top of the tip. Oh no, we need scissors.
Don't forget your scissors.
Don't forget your scissors.
I'll be back. I'll get them. Ice them together.
Yeah. So we have to break these
That's going to be the hard part.
Yeah.
Breaking those.
So this little guy right here, this one, you have to break all these pieces and fit them together. The looks of that, is it this? No, this is the front. Oh, that is an awful noise you're making with those scissors.
I'm sorry, but I feel like this is our best bet to get it to... Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. Oh.
What's your favorite Halloween candy? Or candy in general. I guess any candy could be Halloween candy if you stick a Halloween sticker on it or something.
Yes. You know? Then if that's the case, then I would say Halloween Gushers.
Halloween Gushers. Okay.
Mm-hmm. What's yours?
Anything sour, like Sour Patch Kids. Spooky Sour Patch Ghosts. For a while, I thought this was a UFO, but I think it's a fountain.
A UFO?
Yeah.
Where's that piece? I think I missed it. Oh, no, here it is.
Okay,
it
so...
It does look like a UFO.
I think that, besides the complete mess that we're making... Wait, do it like the beauty gurus.
I have an idea. I could use that color so it just kind of looks like gooey stuff just coming out of the...
Oh, you're a genius. Yeah. That's really good. That's really good.
Sometimes I'm just amazed of how intelligent I am.
Sure. Great.
Well, okay. Speaking of intelligence, let me see if you can get these Halloween jokes.
Okay, let's test our intelligence with jokes.
Okay. What is in a ghost's nose?
Boogies.
That one was an easy one, though.
That one was easy.
Okay. Where does a ghost go on vacation?
The Bahamas.
No. Malibu.
Ah, that one was good, too. Okay, I'm gonna take one from your book and just... what is this called? What are we doing? Frost.
Oh, frosting the cookie together.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that right here because mine's a little bit cracked.
Alright, let me see.
I'm trying to make it look like it's dripping, but I'm having not a very good time at it.
Mine looks like it's dripping, but...
Mine just looks like...
I feel like
I sneezed. Okay, what's your favorite Halloween movie?
So I don't really like scary stuff.
Yeah, me either. I hate scary movies. I get nightmares.
So I like for example, Hocus Pocus is
That's
not
a good
so
one.
scary.
Yeah, it's not so scary, but it's still Halloween.
Still Halloween.
Here's my fountain that also looks like a UFO.
Oh, you know what also is really good that I remember seeing all my, like, through my childhood? Mm-hmm. The Goosebumps.
Goosebumps, yeah, those films.
Goosebumps were great.
Did you ever read the books?
Some, yeah,
me too. Yeah. I was scared. They were pretty scary.
There's so many. What is that new one that they have on the Disney Channel? Well, maybe it's not so new anymore, but the zombies.
Zombies, like Zombie High or something like that.
I think I only seen the first one.
Well, you have children.
Yeah.
Do you think that Nightmare Before Christmas is a Halloween movie or a Christmas movie?
I think it was made in November.
So therefore, it's an in-between.
It's an in-between. For sure.
Because my thing is that it takes place right after Halloween. Making Christmas.
Okay, so I love Christmas time.
Christmas time.
I used to really not.
Well, we can do this
like
again
Halloween
during Christmas time, and it'll be Christmas themed.
So, what are you dressing up for Halloween?
Yeah, I'm gonna be Eddie Munster from Stranger Things.
Oh, I haven't seen.
Yeah,
Stranger Things.
I'll be at the trunk or treat at Orizaba Park on the 28th.
Okay, why did the ghost quit studying?
Why did the ghost quit studying? I don't know.
Because he was too cool for school. Womp womp womp.
He was too ghoul for school.
Oh no. That's not good at all.
No, can we eat these? Or do I need to stick them on there? I love Oreos.
Well, let me have one.
You have your own bag.
Uh-huh. I want from yours.
My easy squeeze is not squeezing easy.
Alright, here's my tree.
Wow, that's a really good tree.
Look at...
Here's a little tip from your friendly neighborhood crafting peeps. Get hot glue and don't eat this.
No, and have your parents help you with the hot glue. Maybe you can decorate it and your parents can hot glue it for you.
Yeah.
Do you think ghosts are real?
Yeah. There's a ghost that lives at my friend's house and we call him Ulysses. Ulysses? Why can't I say that? Ulysses? He slams the kitchen windows.
I'm not sure if I believe in ghosts.
What was your... How come you got 2 green...
Oh, I don't... You didn't get 2 green?
No, what the heck? I got ripped off. It's because yours were broken.
They said, here, let me give you...
And they're like, here, this is for... Can I use some of your green? I need to put it on my tree.
Sure.
Thanks. You're very nice. Sharing is caring.
Sharing
what was your paranormal experience?
When I had first moved into my house, I felt like we have like a little hallway.
Uh-huh.
And I felt like I would see someone walking by.
Ooh.
I don't have that piece. Do you see?
Wait, and... Oh! It's because it's broken. Wow, that was a perfect break. Good catch.
Oh, no.
We need to call Rhiannon. Can you call Rhiannon on your phone and tell her we need hot glue?
Hi, Rhiannon.
Hey.
Hi, Britt.
She can't hear you in my ear.
Oh.
Can you bring us hot glue?
Guys,
Rhiannon.
I don't even know how to make a haunted house.
Everything
Look at
is
this.
breaking.
Everything's broken.
Yeah, you have to be more careful.
Okay, thank you. We appreciate you.
Bye. Everyone say bye.
Glue.
I'll call Marissa. Marissa will get it for us. Okay, person number 2 who will do anything for us because she loves us more than Rhiannon does. There has to be hot glue in that office, right?
I'm sure.
Calling Marissa Mobley.
Alright.
She was at Disneyland yesterday.
I put a
Hi,
lot.
Mar. I know you're super busy with time cards, but is there any way that you can possibly find us some hot glue and bring it to the big conference, large conference? I don't know where there's hot glue, but...
I think I've seen some.
Okay, perfect. Thanks. You're the best. Yeah, I figured. Hot glue's coming. Thanks, Marissa. Shout out to Marissa Mobley. She's the greatest. We're waiting for our hot glue gun. Look it's Rhiannon. Dun, 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 dun. Icing is not working, so we're going to hot glue gun this together. Behind the camera, Rhiannon said, make sure we have parents' permission. Do you have any... Marissa's behind the camera, our wonderful, wonderful
Come say
Marissa.
hello.
Yeah, come say hello so I don't have to just insert picture here. Do you have any Halloween jokes?
Nope.
What's your favorite...
Virtual kids.
What's your favorite Halloween candy?
Sour Patch Kids are Swedish fish.
That's
Oh
what I
my
said.
gosh.
High five. What are you going to be for Halloween?
Besties.
Besties. We are besties.
I'm gonna be. I have 2 Halloween costumes. I'm gonna be Glinda the Good Witch. And I'm also gonna be Stevie Nicks.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Those are really good.
Who's Stevie Nicks?
Oh my god. The lead singer of Fleetwood Mac, also just Stevie
Oh.
Nicks. Do you like
What?
ice cream?
I do. I love ice cream, actually.
So you prefer ice cream over like sweets? Like if you had
Yes.
a choice, you'd be like, nah, I want ice cream.
Yeah, yeah.
What kind of ice cream?
I really like...
Pistachio.
Is it because I'm older? You think that I would like pistachio? No, I actually like mint and chip.
That was gonna be my second guess. It's time to hot glue
It's
the
time.
madness. Here you go.
Ours are gonna look like this.
Ours are gonna look absolutely nothing like this, but I had fun. Did you have fun?
I had a blast.
Okay, so we're gonna go hot glue these together, and we'll be back with our final results. Ta-da! Look at this. Okay, this is mine. It has my name on the front. It's got all these cool little things. Okay, your turn, Stephanie.
And here's mine.
Wow, so gorgeous, so amazing.
Oh, God.
This was definitely a level 2 spooky castle kit.
Times 3.
It was hard. It took us an hour and a half almost, I feel like.
I would recommend...
It took us an hour.
I would recommend... Children, you go ahead and decorate it, and then give it to your parents so they can assemble it together.
Yeah, whether they use hot glue or not, it was a lot.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See you
And
next
clean
time.
up your mess.
Clean up your mess. We're gonna do
Your
that
mom
right
and dad
now.
would love that.
Help your parents clean up your mess. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. Also, don't eat this, probably. Especially if you hot glue it. Do not eat it.